Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to discuss about our website. You can use it for creating research articles with the citations. Okay, so that's basically an AI website. So that's website name is Perplexity AI. Let's open the Perplexity first, and then I will show you step by step how you can do this. So you can also find the website by typing perplexity.ai. As soon as you type the website or you click on the link, you will get this kind of interface. You can also download this Comet web browser, but that's not our main concern. You can also create your account with your Google. Here you can do multiple things, like you can do research. Okay, you can also do deep research on any topic, and it will create a projects from scratch as well. It will turn your ideas into complete docs, slide, dashboard, etc. Okay, let's say we want to go in the deep research, so must need to create our account with the Google. So I will continue with Google. Here you will just select your account and then click on continue. In the prompt section, you will just write the topic for which you want the research, and you will get the citation as well. So we are going to proceed with the continue with free package. So I'll click on continue button. Let's say here we want a deep research about vaccination research with citation. So it will provide you the complete research, and it will also provide you the citation that you can use in your articles as well. So I'll just click on the continue button. It will start doing its research, and it will provide you all the details here in just 3 minutes. Okay, that's very amazing. So you can see that it's reviewing sources almost 20 from different 20 websites, and that's very amazing, a very crazy feature of the Perplexity AI, that you can do research and it will also provide you the citation from where it has obtained the data. So that was about Perplexity, that how you can use it for your research purpose. As you can see that it up to till now it has tried to find out the data from the 79 sources and it's still continuing. Okay, so I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.